In this video, we are going to make a multiplexer using Verilog. A multiplexer is a combinational type of digital circuit that is used to transfer one of the available input lines to a single output, and which input has to be transferred to the output will be decided by the state logic 0 or logic 1 of the select line signal. 2-to-1 multiplexer has two inputs, one select line to select one of the two inputs, and a single output. In here, we will be using an online Verilog compiler named jdudl.com. To start, we first have to make a module that implements the logic for a 2-to-1 multiplexer. For inputs, in 1 and in 2 will be the two data inputs. Select will be the control input and out will be the output of the multiplexer. We then use the assign function to make a conditional statement where the output will depend. If select is equal to 1, then output will be equal to input 2. If select is equal to 0, then output will be equal to input 1. We end the module with an end module and proceed with the test bench. In here, we first have to register the inputs and the output. We then instantiate the mux2 module. Now creating the initial blocks. For the first initial block, it will be used to display the labels for each input and output for organization. For the second initial block, the initial block sets up the inputs input 1, input 2, and select to specific values and introduces delays using the number sign and 2 to simulate how the inputs change over time. Our initial value will be 0 for each 2 time units, and input will change to 1. It will change from input 1, select, then input 2. Afterwards, we display the output of our code using monitor. The monitor statement continuously prints the time and the values of input 1, input 2, select, and output whenever any of them changes. It seems that we forgot to end our initial block and add the end module. Let's add it. Now we have achieved the output. Let us arrange the values to match its corresponding column. As we can see from the table, the output is indeed controlled by the select input. When select is 0, its output is equal to input 1, while select is 1, its output is equal to input 2, which is what we needed. This is a multiplexer. Thanks for watching.